Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is a part 3 of our MySQL series. In today's video, we are going to learn something really useful, how to insert the data into the database using forms. In previous video, we have seen that the data we insert, that is using the query, and there only I have given the values. Now it is using the forms. Whether you are a beginner or just brushing up your skills, I will guide you step by step, a nice and easy way. So let's get started and make sure the first form that actually stores the data. So let's get started. First we have to start the Apache as well as MySQL. Now I will go to the browser and I will search for localhost /php myadmin. Here you can see the example underscore db, it's our database name. Inside that I have created the student table. Here you can see the roll number, name and age fields are present in the students table. Now I will open the Sublime text. This is the basic structure of HTML. Here I will give the heading as example on insert query, but using forms. Next, here I will create a form tag and the method is equals to post. Inside this I will give the label as name and input field. Type is equals to number. Next, name is equals to roll number. Here only I will give the break. Next, our another field, sorry, here I have to give the roll number. Next, the name. Type is equals to text and name is equals to name. Next, another field, that is age. Type is equals to number and name is equals to age. After that I will create one submit button, input. Here I will give the type is equals to submit, value is equals to submit, and name is equals to submit. Now after that, inside our PHP structure, here I will declare one variable, that is our connection variable, MySQL connect query, function. Inside this we have to give the host name, localhost, the username, root, and the password is empty, and our database name, it is example underscore db, and with a semicolon. Next, here I will give the if statement. If that connection is not happen, then it has to print that connection error. Connection failed. MySQL connect error. Now end with the semicolon. After that, if the user click on that submit button, then it has to move to this part. If is set $_post, here I will give the name of that button, that is submit. Here I will give that column names and names to that input field. Next, another one is name. Last one is age. Now here we have to give our query that's stored in our variable called SQL, the insert query. Insert into the table name, that is students, and here I will give that fields roll number, name and age. Next, the values that entered by the user. Next, last one is age variable. And with the semicolon, this has to be in single quotes. Now next, if this happens, here I will give the if statement, and inside that I will give the function called MySQL query, and in that I will pass my connection variable as well as our query, and it has to print that data inserted successfully. Here I will put that in paragraph tag, and with the semicolon, and in else part we have to give the echo statement. The error message. Here I will use that MySQL error, and in that I will pass my connection variable. Next, at last, MySQL close, and with connection variable, and with the semicolon, and now save this. Here you can see my file name is example.php. Now I will go to the browser, as my example.php is a save in XAMPP docs of Janvi folder. I will give the path. Here you can see example on insert query using form. Here I will give the roll number as 156 and name as Janvi and age as 50. Now submit it. The example DB students. So okay. I have given the wrong table name, students. Now save this. Again I will refresh. Here I will give the roll number as 123, name as Priya, and age is 34. Submit. Here you can see data inserted successfully. Now I will go to the PHP My Admin. Click on browse. Here you can see our data that we inserted through a form is present in our database. Roll number is 153, name is Priya, and age is 34. So that's how you can easily insert a form data into your MySQL database using PHP and using MySQL query. In next part we will continue with the update and delete operations to complete the full code of flow. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more web development tutorials in PHP. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.